Top 8 mistakes car owners make. Autodoc. 1. Not adjusting the rear view mirrors. Only properly adjusted mirrors can provide optimal visibility when maneuvering in traffic or when parking. Adjust your mirrors and try to minimize blind spots. Two minutes spent on adjustment can significantly reduce the risk of an accident. 2. Driving with underinflated tyres. If your car isn't equipped with tyre pressure sensors, don't forget to check the pressure manually from time to time.
Autodoc app. All car parts at the lowest prices on your phone. Try it for yourself.
You can find the recommended pressures on the B pillar and the inner side of the fuel filler flap. Always inflate the tyres to the recommended pressure. This will help to prevent impaired handling, increased fuel consumption, and extensive tyre wear. Overinflated tyres cause the suspension components and centre section of the tread to wear more quickly and make it harder to handle the vehicle during emergency braking. 3. Driving with an empty fuel tank. If you don't fill the tank in time, the vehicle's fuel pump may fail. In addition, a regular shortage of fuel in the tank is a common cause of air locks in the fuel line, condensation in the tank, and engine starting difficulties. You've got to admit, this creates too many problems out of nowhere. Or out of an empty fuel tank, to be more exact. Register with Autodoc Club to track your car's refuel history and save money by analysing your fuel costs. 4. Jacking up the vehicle using the wrong jacking points. A jack is an easy tool to use, but it requires strict compliance with safety procedures. Before getting started, take a close look at how to set the device up correctly. Otherwise, you risk not only damaging your car, but also seriously injuring yourself. 5. Cleaning the body, windows and headlights without using liquids. Wiping the car with a dry sponge or cloth can result in small scuff marks and scratches and cause the windows and plastic parts to lose their shine. Use soft cleaning accessories dampened in water and car shampoo to wash your car. After cleaning the body, wipe it dry with a special cloth. Restoring the shine or transparency of the components is more expensive than buying cleaning accessories, especially since you can buy these products at fair prices from Autodoc's online shop. 6. Adding extra keys or heavy keychains to the ignition key. Remove all the extra items from the ignition key. The increased weight of the keys gradually destroys the ignition lock cylinder. This causes it to wear significantly quicker and can have a negative impact on the car's starting abilities. Adding attachments can also damage the plastic parts of the dashboard when the keys rock back and forth. In addition, magnetized items can affect the signal transmission from the remote control or immobilizer key. Keep and use the ignition key separately from the other car keys and never leave it in the car. 7. Ignoring battery problems. The battery power cables begin to corrode over time, which can cause engine starting difficulties. To prevent this from happening, clean the terminals, treat them with an anti-corrosion agent, and tighten them. Not checking the pressure in the spare wheel. If your car's equipped with a full-size spare tyre, or even a space-saver tyre, check its condition with the manual pressure gauge at least once every few months. Due to temperature fluctuations and after a long period of time, the spare wheel may go flat just when you need it for a replacement.